Welcome back. In this video, I finally get my Celica back out, give it a good clean, and get it back out on the road. Now, I've had this in storage for about 5 years because life has got pretty busy building my workshop and having a few other things on. I did have a bit of problems starting it, and it was the fuel regulator was actually stuck closed, so I had to replace that. I'll get it in the workshop and have a good look around. I've been reluctant to touch it with this level of dust on there because I don't want to scratch the paint until I had the right gear to clean it. I painted this car back in around the year 2000, and it's acrylic, and the paint has just been amazing. So this is over 25 years now. It's full GT spec and has the OK monitor, power windows, all temp gauge, all those nice things. I did fit Recaro race seats many years ago, and I've kept this more as a resto mod because I have a 3TG turbo engine, and I've done quite a few mods on that, and you can see those engine build videos in my earlier videos when I first started this channel. Now, the main reason to finally get this out is not only my workshop's nearly done, but my daughter's getting married, and she thought it'd be nice to have this car in her wedding, so I wanted to do that for her, so I put the effort in and got it running. Now, it didn't run too good when I first started it because obviously it's been sitting around. You'll hear that in a minute, but in the end, I got it running pretty smoothly. It sounds terrible there. I'll do another video with it out on the road, but I did get it running and it sounds much better now. So, given all this dust, I bought some products. I bought myself a foam spray gun, foam sprayer here, and I'm using this NV Snow. Now, I'm no cleaning expert. I'll be interested in people's views on what you think I should do next time, because I do have another classic car that's also in storage that is pretty much like this, and I need to give it a good clean. So what I do is I spray it on, I let it sit for a while, and I use quite high pressure water just in the hope that it's going to remove some of that grime. Now, the car's been in storage, it hasn't been outside, but having said that, that storage area was quite hot. There's been condensation dripping on it over the years, and there's a few watermarks. I'll repeat this process 3 times just to give myself a little bit of insurance, I guess. And what I'm using is NV Snow, which is just a pH neutral car wash. It's the first time I've used it. Seems quite good. You can see the water's beating there, and I've got most of the grime off at this point. But just to be sure, I'll go over it one last time, and you can see it's starting to actually already look a lot better. Now, I've hooked up this foam gun to my pressure washer. I think you can get a version that you can just put on a garden hose, but this works fine for me. Then what I do is I use this Hydro 2 foam, and it's so thick and it really sticks to the paint. And this also is a clean and wax sort of at the same time. Now, again, there might be better options. Please let me know what you think. This did work pretty good though. So I did this twice. I used this cleaning mitt just at this point with the grime off to give it a more decent wash, and then I rinse it over and it comes up pretty nice. I bought a drying towel, and at this point, from a distance, it looks really good, but you'll see in a moment there are some watermarks that I really got to deal with. I didn't put any chemicals on the wheels. These are still brand new. Now, I'll start with this paint renovator from Autoglim. Again, my equipment, my buffing machines and that are still in storage, and unfortunately I just had to do this by hand. So I'll start off with this paint renovator to get the watermarks out, and it seems to do a pretty good job. Alright, well that's got the watermarks out of it, and it's coming up alright. What I've got to do now, just give it a final polish. I haven't got all my gear set up, so unfortunately, just got to do it by hand. Looking very nice after all these years. This is 25 years ago I painted this. Huh. There we go. Alright, so then what I do is I use this Auto Glim Ultra Deep Shine to take the streaks out and give it its final polish. And you can see the difference it makes. It's as good as that paint was the day I painted it. If you're wondering about the colour, it's a colour I actually mixed or had custom made. I call it Mesmo Blue, so you're not going to be able to find it. It's one thing I do want to just keep. I use that Wolfgang tire gel. It's quite a good product, just brushes on. And at this point, you can see the difference in the paint. And the engine bay is good, but it needs more of a clean, a detail. But for now, I'm quite happy with that. It was finally wedding day, and I get it out. It's driving quite well, and it's been a real privilege to have this as part of my daughter's wedding. If you've got any questions, put them in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video.